Welcome back to Tech Avro. Today in video 2 of our Google Drive series, we are learning how to upload your files and folders quickly and safely. Whether you need to back up important documents, photo albums, or large video files, Google Drive makes it effortless. Let me show you 3 different ways to do it. Method 1, using the New button. Open Google Drive, look at the top left corner and click the colorful plus icon labeled New. To upload a single document, image or video, click File Upload. Pick your file from your computer and click Open. If you want to upload an entire folder with all its subfolders inside, click New again, choose Folder Upload, select your target folder and confirm. Method 2, drag and drop. Open your computer's File Explorer alongside your browser window. Select any file or folder, drag it directly into the middle of your Google Drive screen and release your mouse button. Drive starts uploading instantly. Method 3, dragging files directly into a specific folder. Double-click to open any folder inside your drive, then drop your files straight in so everything stays organized from day 1. Watch the bottom right corner of your screen to track your live upload progress. Once you see the green check mark, your files are securely saved in the cloud. If this guide helped you upload your data smoothly, hit that like button and subscribe to Tech Avro. In video 3, we will cover how to download your files without zipping headaches. See you there.